Alright, hello. So today we're going to be making the kitchen appliance a sink and then saving it with WBlock. So let's first go here and type in Lowe's. They'll give us the dimensions. Alright, it's already up for me, but you might have to type in sink up here. Then we just want to find a basic, simple, cheap one. That's what they usually use in architecture for the base of a house. Here, 33 by 22 inch. So we'll go over here. For sink, you might be like, well, I don't really need the dimensions, but for other things like ranges, it helps if you have the dimensions since they're not as standard across and uniform. Alright, let's do 5 feet. Make sure you have F8 on. Okay, you can zoom in, double click, and then zoom out a bit. Offset of 2 feet or 24 inches. That's the standard counter space. Then we'll make a line in the middle from midpoint to midpoint. And then you can just press escape. So it's 33 on both sides, so that's going to be an offset of 16.5 on both sides. So just type in 16.5 dash, or tick, whatever you like to call it. Oh, I must put something in wrong. Yeah, let's clean that off. I think I put feet. I should have put inches. Just a mistake happens, you can correct it. 16.5 inches. That 16.5 inches. Oh, here. 16.5 inches. Alright, there we have it. There we go. Alright, now we have to make the outside edging. So that means we just have to do 1 inch offset on the bottom. Because that's... Alright, now we have a basic standard thing. If you want to, you can actually trim it now to make it cleaner, more clear. There you go. And there. There you go. Alright, that's the base outside. But then you'll notice there's bowls in the center. So what we're going to want to do is offset on the bottom at least 1 inch up. And on the sides, 1 inch in. But on the top, it looks nicer if we leave some space for the rest there. So let's do 3 inches. Oh, forgot to select offset. Make sure you select offset 3 inches. And then just move that down there. Alright, then we're going to clean this up again. So select the trimming edges. We'll just select all the bowls of the sink. Alright, once you have that selected, just press enter. Like such. Just keep on doing that. Alright, enter. Now we can put in the drains. So we just go from this point to this point. And we will take a circle. Let's do a diameter of 3 inches. Doesn't matter particularly. And then we can just copy it. Select here. And then select the base point to be over here. So when we move it here, it's in the same spot. And escape. Then we can erase this line. Then we can erase this line. And now you have a base sink. But what we're going to do next is WBlock. This will save it to a file so we can access it later, and it'll save us a lot of time. So we can name the block here. Actually, well, you can do that in later. That selects the path, so we don't want it to be there. Alright, so first we'll pick a point. So this is the base point. We're going to want to do that right there, because you want to do whatever's against the wall. Then we're going to select the objects, and we'll do that. Make sure you get everything. Also enter. Now we have everything selected. Alright, then we can select the path by selecting this little dotted thing here. I've already made an architectural item, and you see I already made this in the past, but I'll make another one. 33 by 22 sink final, but you can just name it 32 by 22 sink. And then make sure it's set, and then you just save it. And then, okay. And that will be saved there, so and you can now access that for later. Alright. Thanks for watching. That's it.